Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. I feel like I haven't made a video for a very long time, and it's true, I haven't been making videos because I have had laryngitis and have basically had no voice for 2 weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know that already, but if you missed it, that's what's been going on, and that's why I still sound a little bit hoarse, but I'm just very happy to be able to speak without being in pain and not have a sore throat. It's been really annoying. I actually haven't felt ill, I've been fine, it's just my voice, which obviously when you do YouTube for a living, it makes it quite tricky because I haven't been able to speak to you guys. So anyway, I'm back today with my May favourites, a little bit late, that is why, but I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. I have 5 things that I've been loving this month that I wanted to talk to you all about. So the first 2 are makeup, and the first one is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in Pinkgasm. So this is from the Glowgasm collection that Charlotte brought out, I think last month or the month before. There was quite a lot of hype about it online, and I did get sent the whole collection, and I have to say I quite liked the lip glosses, or the collagen lip baths, I think they're called, but the palette, I feel like it was okay, but I prefer other Charlotte Tilbury like face powders. I wasn't like blown away by it. This, however, I really love, and it was no surprise, to be honest, because the contour and highlight cream products in the same packaging. Sorry, I'm going to put my phone on silent. How rude of me. The cream products in the same packaging that she's brought out. I think actually that was, I want to say last year, but I feel like it might have been 2 years ago now. I was a huge fan of, and I still have them, and I use them, and I love them. This is no different, very similar texture. It's the same packaging, so you open it up and it's got that squishy like doe foot applicator, and then you unlock it, squeeze a bit out, lock it again, which is really important. If you don't lock this thing, it gets awfully messy because basically all the product comes out in the cap and it's just really gross. So yeah, and then you basically can dab a little bit on and then blend it with your fingers. It blends beautifully. It is shimmery, and I think sometimes with blushes that's not necessarily a good thing, but this is the right kind of balance of shimmery. They also do a peach version. Really like this and would definitely recommend. And then the other makeup product this month I've been loving is this, which is from Dior. It's the Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper, and they do these in a few different colours. This is the pink one. I also have the nude one. This is actually a brand new one because I left mine at my friend's when I was doing her makeup for her wedding day this weekend, and I have to wait for her to come back from honeymoon before I can get it back. So I actually bought the pink one, which I haven't tried this yet, but I really like. I think the nude one that I have is called Rosewood. Absolutely love it. It's just the perfect kind of hint of a tint of a colour, but it's super moisturising and plumping at the same time. It's also really cooling on your lips, which I really like. It has that kind of slightly like a minty, tingly vibe. It is a minty scent. If you guys don't like minty glosses, then this might not be for you, but it's not overpowering. Like, you know, some minty glosses are like really overpowering. I feel like this is going to be something that is perfect for kind of having in your handbag, throwing it on every day, and just, it's easy to wear, but it's still a little something, if you get what I mean. Dior lip balms are just divine. Remember that one in the pot that they discontinued in the UK? I'm not sure why, but it was so nice. I feel like Dior really know how to do their lip balms, and the scrub and the ones, yeah, they're all really nice. This one is my favourite though. And then I've got a skincare product that I've been using, it's actually nearly out. I've been using this for a couple of months now. It's the Pixi Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. So a couple of months ago I showed you the whole collection of this, and this is the one product that stayed in my routine every day. I also do really like the hyaluronic, is it called the like Glow Tonic Solid, Hyaluronic Solid or whatever. I actually included that in my monthly favourites last month, I think. I do use that, but that's obviously not like a skincare thing, it's more of like a lip balm and like travel skincare, whereas this is actually in my everyday skincare routine. I use this in the shower, in the morning, because I wouldn't put it on my eyes because it's a glycolic acid product, but when I am washing my face in the morning and I don't have eye makeup on, I use this on my face, and then in the evening I'll use a cleansing balm that will help remove any kind of eye makeup as well. So I've really noticed a difference using this. I feel like it helps with the texture of my skin and also with the kind of clarity and brightness. I really like it. When you first use it, it honestly feels like it's so easy to use and it doesn't foam. It's very gentle. It's almost like, is it like doing anything? Do you know what I mean? Because it's obviously like cleansing your skin, but there's no like wow factor to it. It is a clear gel, but it's actually really nice and a gentle way to use glycolic acid if you are interested. And if you're a fan of the Glow Tonic toner, I would definitely recommend this as well. Really big fan of that, really like it. I've pretty much used the whole thing. And then lastly, for beauty stuff, the Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food. This is the banana and shea version, but I've also used the papaya one. And I actually had a video of this. I did collaboration with Garnier on my Instagram for this product and did a video, and I've never had so many people in my own personal life comment on an Instagram video. Like, honestly, loads of my friends and family were like, oh, I liked that video you made. Anyway, this is non-sponsored, but I did work with them on that Instagram piece of content. I love this stuff. It's so brilliant. It's a massive tub. I think it's half price in Boots at the moment, so it's about $3.99. It's 98% natural, so if you are concerned about the ingredients of your products and you want a more natural based product, then that is awesome. This is the perfect balance of something natural that actually still works. It's brilliant. It's a 3-in-1 product, so you can use it as your day-to-day conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in for 3 minutes. What I'm doing is leaving this one in the shower, and then the papaya one I'm using as a leave-in. I think I actually prefer the smell of the papaya one, and so far I haven't noticed a difference in terms of performance. This one is aimed at dry hair and the papaya one is aimed at damaged hair. So I feel like there's not like a massive difference. I feel like if you have dry hair, it's probably damaged. If you have damaged hair, it's probably dry, you know what I mean? Either way, I'm a big fan of that. And I would definitely recommend for an affordable, really like good, nourishing, moisturising hair treatment. Big fan. In terms of other favourites, this one's a bit weird, but I was recommending this to my actual friends at this wedding that I was at the weekend, and I was like, I haven't actually ever spoken about this on YouTube, which is kind of crazy considering it's what I do, but it's a bra, and it is the Wonder Bra. I think it's called is it called the Extreme Plunge? I'll link it down below anyway, but it looks so weird. But if you like to wear wrap dresses or like low cut tops and you struggle with finding the right bra with the right support, this is the answer. Like, seriously, I've had this for ages, and I just bought another one in nude for a different dress I was wearing that I couldn't wear a black bra with, and I just have never spoken about it, but I wear it all the time with low cut dresses. It's so brilliant. It looks freaky and really like quite gross and weird. I've got it as a halter neck at the moment. It's a multi-way, so you can wear it cross back, you can wear it a halter neck, or you can wear it normal. It doesn't go strapless. But it has this amazing like support. It's like a little hand in there, but this is like solid on the inside. If you have big boobs, I feel like this might not be the best thing. I was actually talking to my friend Gemma about it on Instagram today, because it is quite like, it pushes your boobs right up there and like together a bit. It's really good in terms of shaping and support, but it just means that you can wear those dresses that come super low, like wrap dresses. I've got quite a short body, like the distance between my waist and my collarbone really isn't that long, so I struggle with wrap dresses that my boobs are basically out. So instead of having to like pin it or whatever, this works really well, and it means that you just kind of, yeah, you don't have to worry about your bra showing, like that middle bit of your bra showing. Really good. They are quite expensive. They're normally about 40 quid, but I think they are on sale at Debenhams at the moment. So yeah, that is my last favourite. And that is it for my monthly favourites. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm very happy to be back. Sorry everything is a bit like, my voice is getting a bit hoarse now because I've been talking for a bit. I'm going to go and have a tea. But yeah, I'm back and I can talk and I'm very excited about it. I will see you again in another video very soon. I've been filming lots of videos today, so there's lots of stuff coming up for you guys. And I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.